Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Toyota GR Supra, and this is by Matchbox. So I didn't get it in India, so I bought it in Dubai. I mean, one of my friend Jayesh bought this from Dubai for me. So I came to know this casting is, it looked really nice. So I asked him to get this one. So there is no pricing here. So I don't know. I bought three cars. Everything summed up to around 950 rupees. So that's how I got it from him. So let's unbox this and see how this one looks. So honestly, the card art on this one looks really nice. So I just want to keep it, you know, proper as usual. So let me just try and see. Okay, here it is. Let me just put this aside, and yeah. So here is the first impressions of this casting. Let me just put some light here. I hope it is clearly visible for you guys. Okay. So not only in Hot Wheels, even in Matchbox, Mattel, never ceases to amaze me with all this, irregular paint job and some kind of weird marks here, as you can see. So I do like the rims, I'm not going to lie. It looks really cool. So it does have headlight details. The logo placement is really nice. Okay. So it does have some grill details which is embossed, not painted or anything. Oh my god, there are a lot of irregularities here. You can see it does have rear view mirrors, but honestly, just look at this. Okay, so whoever bought this in other countries like US or even in other countries, just let me know how yours looks. Supra MK5. See, the detailing, rest of the detailing looks really nice, and I really wish I got a better one. So you can see here it does have a lot of irregularities and all. So it does have some interior detailing to it, which is really nice. So the chassis is made of plastic and the body is fully made of metal. Okay, let's do a roll test real quick and see. Okay, it doesn't even roll properly, even with the height which we are having now. See, I would give a rating of 6 or 7 for this, when it comes to rolling. It does have a lot of wheel wobble to it. This is not going to do well on track. See, it reaches the same point, there is no movement after that. So if you are able to get this casting, like a proper one, because it has wiper details and everything, those things looks really nice. I'm not going to deny that. But so from rest of the things you can see, I'm not sure, how to say this. So maybe, some people who want to customize, maybe they want to remove the paint and repaint it. For those people, this is going to be so awesome. But for me, it is okay casting, just because of the paint job, not because of the actual casting. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as usual, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.